All right, lift up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Roger. Lift off. Roger. The clock is 3.
吹着谁？谁就懂爱。
Lift off plus 2,
每个人都想当
We have ignition.
都一样的相见。
1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. Engine stop. Listen, tranquility base here. The Eagle has landed. 0, we have a liftoff. Roger, and liftoff. Liftoff of the 25th Space Shuttle mission, and it is cleared to tower. This morning, though, they were not going to be able to get off.
15 seconds, velocity 2,900 feet per second, altitude 9 nautical miles.
0, and liftoff. Liftoff. Americans return to space as discovered.
We have ignition. We have liftoff of Discovery on 5, 4. Booster ignition and liftoff of Atlantis on a mission to study planet Earth.
一样的感觉。
Booster ignition and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Atlantis.
它给了起点，爱再给时间，它给了终点，哭啊喊啊，叫你妈妈带你去买玩具啊，快快拿到学校炫耀吧，孩子交点朋友吧。
This time, the Space Shuttle Columbia was just about to finish a picture-perfect 16-day scientific mission. The astronauts' families were by the runway in Florida, poised for a great reunion. Instead, this was the picture that we all saw.
Start. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 1, 0, and liftoff. The final liftoff of Atlantis. Shoulders of the space.
快拿到学校炫耀吧，孩子交点朋友吧。
And here they are, NASA's Artemis flight.
Great call. The rocket is on its own. 4 brave explorers ready to ride the most powerful rocket.